We're at, where are we? Gordon's country.
Good country.
And she's a bit wet. So we're just having a bit of a sleep in. Yeah, no rush. We currently don't have an awning. Yeah, there was a bit of a big situation happened to the car many moons ago, and it actually snapped because we put it up in weather trying to fix the car. So yeah, awning is still coming, but for now we're just gonna hold out and hope for this rain to stop. Bluey's hating us. Yep. He just wants to get out. We've taken him for a walk, but oh yeah, and there's a car leaving, so he obviously wants to go for a drive as well, so he's not happy. But anyway, the tracks are still open at the moment, so...
The rain has stopped.
Rain has stopped.
We're just waiting for it to stay stopped for a little bit. To just really set into stopping.
And it's quite... It's actually quite cold. And Jake didn't prepare for that. He's got no warm stuff.
I thought I'll be right.
He even brought us a throw to sleep with.
Yeah, no blanket, just a throw.
A throw.
Well, I'll be right. We'll warm up in the tent.
Dickhead.
No, I was freezing all fucking.
Anyway, we will see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Oh my goodness, hi.
About to enter the playpen at Gordon Country. Got the old tough terrain tire deflators. Got that bang. It's exciting. I could have put up in a little bit better of a spot, jumped out straight into a puddle. Courtney got stuck. Oh, then the bright green cock getting some dirty. Nice. What do you reckon, Blue? The sludge, it's like thick on the tire. Huh? Yeah, like you should see how thick this wheel is. Hey, Blue. Basic. Alright. go, yeah, 2 hours.
2 hours, yeah. We're just gonna go for a drive a bit further up past all the other campsites. There's a national park. I don't know what it's called.
Main range or something?
Main Range or something like that. We'll let you know. But only thing is we've got Bluey in the car, so we know you're not allowed dogs at national parks. So we're just not gonna get out of the car. We're just gonna go for a drive through. Not even sure if you're allowed to do that, but don't see a harm in it. We're not getting out of the car, so we'll have a look. But yeah, so sadly the tracks are closed due to all the weather. So A track and B track, so only the playpen was open. But we still had heaps of fun in it, and yeah, there's quite a few people out there having a bit of a skid in the mud.
It's a good test for the 80. That's
Yeah,
for sure.
it was an awesome test for the 80 since, like, this is one of our first main camping trips since the rebuild, so she's done well. Everyone was frothing over the car, so Jake's very happy
I'm stoked.
and feeling very proud, so yeah.
Didn't get bogged, that's a win.
No bog,
Didn't
no
get
bog.
stuck.
Didn't get stuck.
Just pushed through.
Yeah, Bluey got a little scared at times, so we had to have a few breaks and give him a cuddle, which is a lot from him because he doesn't like cuddles. But anyway, gotta stop talking. We will see you soon. Bye.
Ready? Run.
Psycho! There's a stick. So, update. Couldn't go into the national park. Big sign saying if you even have a dog in the car, there'll be a penalty.
Turn
so
around.
we're just looking at all the other campsites and deciding on where we want to go. But it's
Try and get some shelter.
freezing right
She
now.
fresh.
And yeah, on and off raining.
Still on the old cold struggle with just a spray jacket.
Yeah.
2 t-shirts on, but they dirty.
Yeah.
Hey, bud.
But Bluey's loving it, aren't you? Oh, yeah, you are. Really? Oh, good boy. All right. After the big day of forward driving, we decided to call this magical place our home for the night, with a beautiful spread, campfire, and a running river that Bluey was very happy to be swimming in. How's the setup for this afternoon? Nice fire, a drink, and then Jake's just cooked us an unreal feed. So it's got steak, cheese, egg, and
Broccolini.
Cheers, babe.
Cheers.
How good is this? Stunning. Hey, Blue.
Morning. So, last day here today in Gordon Country. Had the best sleep. Bluey was good. Slept all night. And we're just soaking up serenity. I'll get up shortly, make some brekkie.
You hungry, Bluey?
And then, yeah, hopefully they've opened up the full drive tracks. We can get a bit more wheeling done. Very excited to go back to back. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
You reckon, Blue?
You want to go for driving? He's got his eye out for a cow because there's been a cow around our campsite.
The wandering cow.
The wandering cow.
Yeah, not sure what just happened there. There's a wandering cow around this campsite and Bluey's very intrigued. He's got his one eye open at all times.
He knows the word. Where's the moo?
The moo cow.
Where's the baby moo?
Oh yeah. We'll get up, make some brekkie, just full driving. And then the long journey home. Not looking forward to it.
And a clean up of
I'm
the
gonna
car.
clean this car, it is filthy. It's cool, but
Bye.
oh, and the sun's out. Yeah, good.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
As this isn't a big deal for most, but yes, this was a very big deal for me and for Jake too, as this was my first time driving the 80 and I was very surprised he let me go on these tracks today. Shall I go up? So on our way home, getting a few funny looks with the state of the car at the moment. But she is filthy, and Louis is pretty ready to go. Pretty ready to go home. But, yeah. We out. She's done well, but she's filthy.
The worst part.
Time to